Hello children, how are you all? So today, third class children, I'll teach the next part in the fourth lesson, that is adjective. So open page number 23 in your grammar book. Page number 23, exercise D. So before that, we'll learn a new topic, that is formation of adjectives. So read these pairs of sentences. Ace likes to play with his toys. He is a playful puppy. Raghu is not a child, but his behavior is childish. So did you notice the highlighted words? In the first sentence, play is a verb and playful is an adjective. We form the adjective from the verb by adding full, F-U-L. So by adding F-U-L, we can form a verb to adjective. So similarly formed the adjective childish from the noun child by adding I-S-H. We can form adjectives from certain words by adding FUL or ISH. So form adjectives by adding FUL or ISH to these words. So by using this technique, by adding FUL and ISH, we can form new adjectives. Okay, so they have given some nouns, we have to add to those words FUL and ISH. Exercise D on page number 23. Power. Powerful. Fool. Foolish. Help. Helpish. We can't write helpish. We'll write helpful. Self. Selfful or selfish? Selfish. Harm. So harmish or harmful? Harmful. Play. Playful. Pink. Pinkish. And the last one, boy. Boyish. Got it down. So turn to page number 24. Exercise E. Form adjectives by adding FUL or ISH to give given words. Then use them in sentences of your own. So this exercise I am giving you as a homework. You write it yourself. Okay. You have to form the words. Peace will become peaceful. Child, childish. Color, colorful. Girl, girlish. Use, useful. Care, careful. So these are the adjectives. So you have to use these words to form your sentences of your own. You have to form the sentences of your own choice. Okay, using these words: peaceful, childish, color, girlish, useful and colorful. Okay, so moving on to the exercise A on the page number 24. Underline the adjective in each sentence, then write the opposite of the adjective. One has been done for you. So they have given some sentences in this exercise and underlined one word. So we have to write the opposite of that adjective, right? So first one, the radio was loud. So what is the opposite of loud? Soft. Second one, these towels are wet. So what is the opposite of wet? Dry. Aziz climbed the tallest tree. So tallest. What is the opposite of tallest? Shortest. Fourth one, Tia drank a glass of warm milk. What is the opposite of warm? Cold. It is a stormy day. It is a stormy day. So, stormy opposite, normal. This exercise is difficult. So, what is the opposite of difficult? Easy. Okay. So, wet, tallest, warm, stormy and difficult are the adjectives, and we have written the opposite of those words. Note it down. So exercise B, color the picture of the elephant. Complete the description by filling in the missing places, missing adjectives from the box below. So you have to color this picture of the small elephant here. Okay, on page number 24. And we have to fill in the blanks using this help box. So first one, this animal is an elephant. It has long legs. Long legs, comma, large ears, comma, small eyes, a short tail, comma, and great white tusks. It has a long nose or trunk. So this is an elephant. It has a long legs, large ears, small eyes, a short tail and great white tusks. It has a long nose or trunk. So turn to page number 25. Use the adjectives given in the box to complete the sentences. Change their forms if necessary. So they have given some blanks and a help box. So we can change the form of the adjectives if it's needed. Okay. So first one, Meena is dash then mini. So which word? Happy, smart, large, too, big, short. Smart. So the correct form we'll write is smarter. Meena is smarter than Mini. Second one, this tree is shorter than that one. Are whales the large? So the correct form we will use is largest mammals on earth. Here they have given a question mark. Fourth one, a bird in hand is better than two birds in the bush. The students were happy when the exam ended. And the last one, let us stand in this queue. As it appears to be bigger than the one over there. Right? So in place of smart we have written smarter, short, shorter, large, largest. Here we have written two. Here we have written happy as it is written in the help box. And the last one, big, bigger. Okay. So in four of the blanks we have changed the adjective forms. Remaining the two adjectives we have written as it is. Note it down. Okay, moving on to the comprehension on page number 25. Look at the picture, then read the passage given below. One cold morning, I saw a black bat flying around. I wanted to see where it lived, so I ran after it. It went past a tree and over a bush. Then it flew into our dark tool shed. I ran to the shed. No bat. I was going to leave the shed, but just then I heard something. I looked up. A family of bats hung from the roof. I tiptoed away. I left the bat family asleep. So using this passage, they have given some question answers. We have to answer them. So look at the first question. What did the storyteller do when she saw the bat? When she saw the bat, what did storyteller do? First option is she hid behind a tree. No. She ran away. No. She followed the bat. What did she do? She followed the bat. So tick the C option. Then the next question. Where did the storyteller find the bat? So where did the storyteller find the bat? In the dark tool shed. Where did she find them? In the dark tool shed. So you have to write answer 2. Page 26. The storyteller found the bat in the dark tool shed, right? Then answer third. Why did the storyteller tiptoe? Why did she tiptoed away? Because the bat family was asleep. Because the bat family was asleep. Okay. Then exercise B. Pick out the adjectives used to describe the bat. So, what did they use the word to describe the bat? Exercise B. The bat. So, what did they use? Black bat. The morning cold. The tool shed dark. Note it down. Right. So on exercise C on page number 26, write 3 adjectives to describe each picture. So first they have given a bunch of flowers. So what are the 3 adjectives that you would use to describe this picture, this bunch of flowers? First one, beautiful. Yes, the flowers are beautiful. Then colorful. Third one, bright. Right? Beautiful flowers, colorful flowers, bright flowers. Then the next picture, what they have given of a tree. So, a big tree. First adjective. Then, large tree. Tall tree. Right? Big tree, large tree, tall tree. Note it down. So children, here we complete this lesson about adjectives. So what are adjectives? Adjectives are nothing but they tell more about nouns and the different degrees which are used in adjectives, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, right? Then the types of suffixes and the adding of ish and ly. So by adding these words we form new words. So go through this lesson once again, revise the exercises and complete all the exercises again. Okay, then only you will come to know about the adjectives. Right children, take care.